So in this video we're going to talk about the differences and the comparison of Iqoo 13 and the VIVO X200 Pro, which are the top of the line mobiles in both the companies. So let's start with the display comparison. The Iqoo 13 mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of 2K plus resolution display, and it is a 144 Hz refresh rate supported AMOLED HDR10 plus supported display, which was protected by the Corning Scott Sensation glass instead of Corning Gorilla glass, and it's a flat display. Where the VIVO X200 Pro 5G mobile comes with a almost 6.82 inches of bigger display, and it is also a Quad HD plus resolution display, and it is a 120 Hz refresh rate display which was protected by the same glass, and it is also supports HDR10 plus and 8-bit display. And when we talk about these two mobiles differences, we can see a difference between these two mobiles in some sections. One is the performance, that is a processor. The VIVO X200 Pro 5G mobile comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, which is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor, and it is a top of the line flagship processor from the MediaTek side. When we talk about the Iqoo 13, it comes with the latest 8 Elite Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 5G octa-core processor, and it is the top of the line processor from the Snapdragon side. And when we talk about the variants and availability, these two mobiles are available in different variants. The VIVO X200 Pro 5G mobile is available with only 60GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage variant until now, and the Iqoo 13 is available with 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512 and 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. So, and we can see a huge difference between these two mobiles in the section of camera. The VIVO X200 Pro comes with, as the name says, a quad cameras, 50 megapixels of main wide angle and 50 megapixels of ultra wide, and also a 200 megapixels of zoom camera, periscopic and telescopic zoom camera. A lot of people think that the 200 megapixel camera is the main camera. No, but that's not the main camera. A 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera is the main camera. And Iqoo 13 comes with 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 50 megapixels of ultra wide and 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. These two mobiles can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS with the back cameras. For the front, these two mobiles comes with the 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie cameras. And when we talk about the battery, yeah, these two mobiles comes with the same battery capacity, that is a 6000 milliampere of battery, and the X200 Pro 5G mobile supports 90 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also has the wireless charge, and it supports up to 30 watts, I think. And the Iqoo 13 comes with the 6000 milliampere of battery as usual, the same, but it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, and it doesn't have a wireless charging. And when we talk about the features, other features like multimedia, this comes with the stereo speakers. The Iqoo 13 doesn't have Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. The VIVO X200 Pro comes with the Dolby Atmos feature. And these two comes with the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack, and metal frame and glass bodies, front and back glasses. And when we talk about the operating systems, these two mobiles runs on Android version 15 out of the box with the FunTouch OS latest version. And when we talk about the security and software, these two mobiles comes with the 4 years of software update availability and 5 years of security update availabilities. So these are the major differences of these mobiles, and there are also some more. That these two mobiles comes with the latest features like the VIVO X200 Pro mobile comes with the LPDDR5 RAM types and UFS 4.0 storage capacities, where the Iqoo 13 comes with the LPDDR5 XT, LPDDR5 Ultra RAM type and UFS 4.1 storage capacity. These two models comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC and everything. And by the way, these two models comes with the IP68 water and dust resistance features. Iqoo comes with IP60, both the comes with IP68 and 69 features. And when we talk about these two mobiles prices and colors, this is the major section which you want to take a look. And by the way, these two mobiles also comes with a lot of features in the gaming mode. And by the way, the 144 Hz refresh rate is only applicable in while you are gaming. Otherwise, it will go around 1 to 120 FPS like the VIVO X200 Pro. And when we talk about the price, so the VIVO X200 Pro mobile comes at the 95,000 rupees for the base, where the Iqoo 13 comes at the 54,000 rupees for the base. And if we calculate that there is a 40,000 rupees of difference between these two models, so for that price amount, what you are getting in the VIVO X200 is completely in the section of the cameras. You can get a DSLR like cameras with that mobile, which is not in this case of Iqoo 13. And so the conclusion is, if you want a performance oriented mobile with a good amount of camera and you have a very limited budget, like the one 50,000 rupees are around, you can go with the Iqoo 13, which will give you the absolute beast performance while you are gaming and everything. And if you want a DSLR camera and you are specific to the camera section and you want a beast camera while taking the photos and you are a very much photo lover, then you can choose the VIVO X200 Pro 5G. It is suitable for the gamers, and you can also game on this mobile also, but it will be more suitable for the photographer. So that's the comparison between these two models, and I will also leave a link to buy these two models in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel, so you can watch it out from there and buy it. So thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe and like button.